Alright, I'll give you a quick 2-minute tour. This is the entrance. This is my 2-car wash bay. So the way my driveway is set up, my driveway comes in here. You can drive around the backside. There's a big courtyard over here, or you can just drive through the car wash, which is really nice as well. Glass wall to keep the water out from the wash bay. I've got tool box drawer system here with lots of tools, which is really cool. I like that new addition. I plan to put a 2-post lift in here where the red marker is on each side, so that will be a 2-post lift. My roof is about a little over 3 meters, so I can do a low-high clearance one. Not for anything too big like the truck, but for just regular cars, it's fine. Lounge area, coffee bar, fridge for sodas and things. I need to get more LED lights, so I want to put this whole wall with those type of lights and then signs on this side. Ferrari engine, which I plan to rebuild eventually at some point and put in something. Let me know what I should put it in. Maybe a buggy or something like that. These oil barrels, which I had made, which are really cool. Mobile, Texaco, Shell, things like that. Bunch of tires, which I need to get rid of. Anybody want some crap tires? Got 2 full sets of 4. A little motorcycle riding helmet thing that I made since I do ride. So over here, basically just car storage on that side. I want to build a gantry crane with these I-beams, so I can actually put the gantry crane up here, and I can move things back and forth with one of those big chain things. Back along this wall, sorry, I have problems with my AC. It's leaking at the moment. Mostly car storage over here. That's just Maserati crap. This is where I keep all my nuts and bolts and random fiddly stuff. Drill press, which is really nice. Grinding discs, cut off wheels. Mag drill, which I love. Whatchamacallit, cleaner, whatever you call those things, ultrasonic cleaners. Gym cabinets, just as storage for stuff like tint and vinyl wraps, carbon fiber. Detailing equipment, vacuums and things. More bolts and odds ends and stuff. I don't know, just a bunch of crap in the drawers. I don't need to go through all that, but this rack that I made for my metal storage, so I hold sheets in the back, and then on the front is all the different size steel and stuff that I use quite often. So whenever I have some fabrication stuff, I build fixture table, which I made, so I weld on this table. This is where I do most of my projects. This overland trailer, which I'm about finished with, just need to put the skinning on. So stay tuned if you like camping and stuff. That will be a really interesting development. And what else we got over here? My chop saw. My sink, which is really cool, super deep sink. Love that thing. Got it in Drag 'em All. I'm gonna have a counter here, which I'll probably build using similar, maybe even thicker metal than these tables, another fixture table. And then I can have some cabinets and storage and things like that all along there, and I can pull out the tables if I'm working on something. So this whole area is basically just to hang out and work on. The whole size of the garage is about 2,000 square feet. I have this big sliding barn door that I built. It's on rollers. And then this is my storeroom. So I have washing machine for washing dirty rags, charging table. I want to do a whole built-in system over here. My air tank, which is over there at the moment, I want to put here and then plumb in the air lines. So I've got air lines here, another one over there, one that needs to be mounted in the garage over there, and then one on the far side in the car storage area. Fridge for necessities. PPE stuff, gloves, glasses, welding equipment, wire, things like that. Chemical closet, this is where I keep brake cleaner and all that kind of consumables. Random fixed bolts, spray paints, just tools and equipment. So I've got each box is a different thing, plumbing, electrical, all that stuff. My camping stuff, this is really nice drifter kitchen, and then this is all like parts and spares and oils and all that good stuff, which I'm running low on. I need to go get more of. But anyways, if you had any questions or wanted to see something specific, holler.